welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amarta Rupani, and in today's video I am going to give you the tour of another furnished apartment. And the reason we moved here is because the apartment we moved in few days ago was a studio. And guys, Sanjay's company booked one bedroom apartment for us, and the corporate which handles such stays for employees, they actually gave us a studio by mistake. And we lived there for 2 days until they arranged this place for us. So anyways guys, Sanjay notified them and they solved the issue, and we are moved into one bedroom apartment, and we didn't have to face any kind of problem transferring our stuff from that apartment to this place, because it is into the same building. All we had to do is just pick up keys for this apartment. So anyways guys, that was the story behind moving to another apartment within a week. And this place is bigger, beautiful, and furnished too. So without wasting any time, let me just give you the tour. So this is the entrance. After that, there is a closet. It has washer, dryer, another closet. Let's see what's in here. It has mop, sweep, and some hangers. And it has iron table. It has iron. On the right side of entrance, you will see a storage table on which there is Gautam Buddha statue, and guys, it is beautiful. And in the middle, you will see a cute little dining table which is for 2 people. And there's also a big mirror, and I just loved it. And guys, this is the living room. And there is another beautiful statue of Gautam Buddha. It looks quite antique and nice. And beside sofa, there are 3 side tables of different sizes, which is quite convenient for us. We can place it anywhere we want. Guys, I loved these lamps because they have vintage kind of look, and you can move it up and down with the help of this. So yeah, it's beautiful. Look at this unique and beautiful wooden coffee table. I just loved it. There is another storage table, and it has lovely piece sitting on the top. There is balcony, and this is the view from our balcony. And guys, we live in 16th floor, so when you see down, it is quite scary, but that's all right. And the view looks better in the night time. Let's move on to the kitchen now, and this is my favorite part. And this is open concept kitchen. It has dishwasher, fridge, coffee machine, microwave, knives and scissors. It has garbage bin, recycle bin, and other useful stuff, and also some of the cookware and kettle. Now let me show you the bedroom of this apartment. And here is the bedroom. And on the right side of this bed, there is storage and bathroom. And in this area, we have a lot of room for our clothes and shoes, and we can also keep our other stuff in here. And there are some cushions and blanket for us to use. And after that, there is bathroom. There is another beautiful statue of Gautam Buddha. Okay guys, so this is our new home for a month and we are super excited to live in here. And guys, next month we are moving to Toronto, so stay tuned because I am going to make exciting videos for you guys. So anyways guys, that was pretty much it for today, and if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.